like our olivey greens and our browns. And try to keep in mind where your shadows are going to be on the insides of the back legs. You want those sections to definitely be darker. On the belly. The belly is actually usually lighter in color on a frog, but because of the way he's sitting, it's going to be a little bit darker. If you're going to add any spots or stripes or anything on your frog, this is the time to do it. And once again, I know he doesn't look like much yet, but once we add in our outlines, he's really going to pop to the front. Doing the princess's dress, and since my my water lilies are pink, I'm going to go ahead and put her in pink. And you can see where we kind of missed putting water in, so we will go back and we will touch those parts up. Don't worry about them too much right now. For the most part, the rest of her dress is going to be white. Now, I mean, if you're worried about your graphite lines, don't, because like I said, we're going to go ahead and outline everything. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our little bit of pink actually as my shadow versus we're using like gray or something. So anywhere you see, watch out, got a little fuzz on there. Everywhere you see a shadow, instead of using gray, we're just going to use a very light amount of pink. And that's more than I wanted. So what I'm going to do go back very quickly, get some water on my brush, just kind of work it off. And it's just going to give it that depth, like it's got shadows, but it's going to be that soft pink instead of, like I said, like a gray. Now I want to put a little bit of a border around the bottom of her skirt that's just a little bit darker. And I'm actually stirring some of my yellow in because I don't want it that bright hot pink. I want it to be more of a natural kind of a peachy pink. I'm just going to kind of hit the bottom portions of that skirt. And once again, that's just to add some depth. If it's too dark, just go back and hit it again. Now, in our drawing, her dress has a stripe down the front, so we're going to go get a little bit more of this pink and this yellow together. And I may go back and hit that with some of our gold. So don't get too attached to any particular color, because you may decide to go back and completely revamp your dress.